Are you trying to figure out which AI tool is actually worth your money in 2025? If you have narrowed it down to ElvenLabs and Heygen, you might be confused because while they both use AI to make people talk, they are building two completely different futures. Here's the short version. ElvenLabs is the undisputed king of audio. If you need the most realistic human voices for podcasts, audiobooks, or debugging, you go here. Heygen is the king of video. If you need a realistic AI avatar, a digital human to present your marketing or training videos, you go here. But in 2025, the lines are blurring. ElvenLabs is getting into sound effects and debugging, and Heygen is upgrading their voices. So which one do you actually need? Let's break down the pros, cons, pricing, and the massive 2025 updates you need to know about. ElvenLabs, the 2025 update. Let's start with ElvenLabs. Their big 2025 update is all about the emotional intelligence framework. It is used to be that AI voices were just happy or sad. Now the AI understands context. If your script is sarcastic, the voice actually sounds sarcastic. If it is a whisper, quiet thriller scene, it adjusts the basing and breath automatically. They have also rolled out real-time voice cloning. You can now clone a voice with just seconds of audio, and the background noise filtering is insane. You do not need a studio recording anymore. A phone memo works fine. This is for podcasters, game developers, and authors. If your content is audio first, ElvenLabs is currently unbeatable. Heygen, the 2025 update. Now let's look at Heygen. Their 2025 focus is on Avatar IV. We are not just talking about floating heads anymore. These are full body avatars that gesture, blink, and move like real humans. The uncanny valley is almost gone. The biggest game changer is their video agent, and instead of editing a video manually, you just type a prompt like create a 30-second sales pitch for a coffee brand. Heygen writes the script, picks the avatar, selects the background, and generates the video for you in minutes. This is for marketers, HR teams, and educators. If you need a face on your content but hate being on camera, Heygen is the solution. The pricing battle. Here's where people get tripped up. The pricing models are totally different. ElvenLabs charges by the character. The starter plan is around $5 per month. This is great for hobby sets. The creator plan is roughly $11 per month and gives you about 2 hours of audio. Verdict, it is very affordable if you are just doing audio. Heygen charges by the video minute. The creator plan starts around $29 per month, but that might only get you 15 minutes of video generation. The team plan jumps significantly. Warning, video rendering is expensive. If you make a mistake and re-render a video, you lose those credits. Heygen is definitely the premium, more expensive option. Pros and cons. ElvenLabs Pro, best voice quality in the industry, period. Pro, huge library of user-created voices. And for the cons, the credit system burns fast if you experiment a lot, and it is audio only, no visuals. Heygen Pros. Avatar IV is the most realistic AI human on the market. Incredible translation tools, and it changes the lip sync to match the new language. Cons. It's expensive. You cannot fine-tune the audio motion as well as you can in ElvenLabs. The verdict. If you need a voice, buy ElvenLabs. If you need a video presenter, buy Heygen. But here is a pro tip. Combine them. Heygen's internal voices are good, but ElvenLabs is better. And many top creators generate their audio in ElvenLabs first, download the file, and upload it into Heygen to drive the avatar. You get the world's best voice with the world's best avatar. It costs more, but the quality is unmatched. And that's all for this video. And tell me now down below in the comments, which one are you using this year? Heygen or ElvenLabs? And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in another comparison video.